Hello, this is our chapter 2 review. Okay, for number 1, it asks us to write an expression for the tiles as they appear. Circle any of the zeros. We're not going to do that. So this is what we're going to do first. So what are we going to do for number 1? We're going to write an expression, correct? What is going on in the boxes? We've got, we should always start in the positive box. So give me a couple of things that's going on in the positive box. What have we got? Mr. Homan, what's the first thing you notice with the box that's right here? The top positive box. What's in it?
X.
Yeah, how many X's do we have?
3.
Actually, we have 2 positive X's and a negative X, right? That's great. How many 1s do we have, Mr. Homan? You know, they're just the boxes with nothing in them and they're colored in.
5.
We have 5. How many of those are positive? They would be the colored in ones. 3. And then how many negatives? Perfect. All right, and then we're going to do the negative. How many have, what do we got in the bottom box? The negative box. Remember how we're going to distribute. Mr. Adam, how many X's do we have in the negative box? Look on your computer, sir. How many X's do we have in that bottom negative part? Yeah. So we have a positive X and then we have a negative X, don't we? Now, how many 1s do we have? How many 1s? Chelsea, how many 1s do we have in the negative box? Perfect. How many positive? Perfect. And then we have 1 negative, right? All right. Now we need to use the word simplify. How are we going to simplify this expression? Shouldn't we add the parentheses first? Yes, we should add what's in the parentheses first. And what do we get with this parenthesis? Mr. Austin, what are we going to get inside this parenthesis? X minus X equals what? 0. And then 2 minus 1 is? Perfect. So we have 1, negative 2 minus 3 plus X minus 2X. All right. Then we're going to distribute this negative, right? So then we rewrite, and we've got 2X minus X plus 3 minus 2 minus 1. All right. So now we need to add like terms, correct? Nick, what do I do now? What is 2X minus X? Good. So we've got X. And then what is 3 minus 2 minus 1? How about we do this? We got plus 3, and then negative 2 and negative 1 equal what? Yep. So we need to simplify one more time. We've got 3 and a negative 3. What does that equal? Yeah, Lizette. 0. Good. So all we have left is an X. So if you got that, you were a winner chicken dinner. All right, so on number 2, we are going to write expressions for each side and then determine which is greater. All right, why don't you take a look at number 2 and everybody write down the 2 different expressions, the left one and then the right. So what are we going to do? Oh, it froze. Hold on a second, everybody. I never know how to unfreeze this thing. Okay. Hold on, everybody. Let me just get out of this and then get back in it. Did you write what you had down? You should have this. You should have 2x plus 3 minus 1, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Can you simplify what's in the parentheses on the left-hand side? No. We just need to, first thing we need to do is distribute the negative. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm just going to rewrite. So I have 2x plus 3 minus 1 minus 2x plus 2. Now, on the right-hand side, I certainly can add whatever in the I can simplify this. So 2x minus x is x, and then negative 1 is left over here. And then I have this. I'm just going to rewrite, you guys, so we don't have any confusion. Then I'm going to distribute the negative. 1 here, 1 here, and then rewrite. So now I have 2x minus x plus 2 minus x plus 1. Okay? Now, how am I going to simplify the left-hand side? What's the first thing you need to do? Should we add like terms on both sides? That sounds great. So let's look at the variables. So 2x is a like term, and this 2x is a like term. Now, one's a positive, one's a negative. Do they cancel each other out? Yes, they do. So they actually go away. And now we have a 3x minus 1 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? It's 5, right? 5 minus 1 is 4. So now we have 4 left over. We got all this out. Now, we're going to go to the right-hand side, and we're going to go 2x and x. Oh, look what happened here. We've got 2x minus x minus x. Well, 2 minus 1 is 1, and then minus another 1 is 0. So we don't have any x's here, but we can add 2 and 1, and that makes 3. Which one is greater here? 4 or 3? 4. So you are going to put that. Wonderful. Questions for me? No. Good. All right. So you are going to do, can I turn the page? Good. Okay. So we're going to simplify. We have a 3 plus 7x minus 2 plus 9x. What am I going to do? What's the first thing you think I should do? If you look at, yes, Jerry. 1, we're going to distribute the negative. I'm going to do that like this, and then I'm going to rewrite 3 plus 7x minus 2 minus 9x. Now what am I going to do? Emma, what do you think I should do next? Thank you, Emma. I'm going to add like terms. Okay, so this is a like term and this is a like term. So minus 9x plus 7x equals what? 9 minus 7 is what, Tam? Good, minus 2x. These two are gone. What's the last part? Now the last term is 3 and 2. What is 3 minus 2? plus 1. And this is your answer. All right, you guys are going to do, so we are going to move on to number, combining like terms. Number 4. And then we'll do A. We have negative 4p minus 1 minus 6p parentheses. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute this negative, boom, boom, and then rewrite. Does it work for you guys if I write what I do and then you write it down too? Does that help? So first thing I'm going to distribute. 2 I'm going to rewrite. Minus 4p minus 1 plus 6p. 3 add or subtract like terms. So 4p and 6p are the only like terms that I have, and so now it's going to be 2p minus 1, and that's A. B, you've got this situation going on. You've got a negative 7 parentheses k minus 8 plus 2k. The first thing I need to distribute that 7. So I'm going to go boom, boom, and then 2 rewrite. So this is a negative 7k plus 56 plus 2k. Yeah. So then I'm going to 3 add like terms. Add or subtract, really. Minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5k plus 56 because there is no other things. Okay, cool. Good. Questions so far? No? You're doing good? Good. Equations. Cool. Can I turn the page? Okay. Remember, I'm making a video of this, so you can look it up later. You know what I mean? Not that some of you will, but it will be there for you. Just saying. All right, turn the page. Equations. 5. I'm going to do C because it's the biggest. So we have 3 plus 3x minus x minus 2 equals 3x plus 4. The first thing I'm going to do is distribute. Boom, boom. Number 1, distribute. And then rewrite. So I have 3 plus 3x minus x plus 2 equals 3x plus 4. The second thing I'm going to do, wait, I'm going to rewrite. Say that again?
Never mind, I thought 3x was a 8.
It's a 3. Okay, I'm going to rewrite. Now I'm going to, second thing is add like terms. I'm going to identify them first. So these two go together. So 3x minus x is 2x. And then I've got this and this goes together on this side. So that makes 5. Equals 3x plus 4. Okay, I want to keep things positive. So I'm going to subtract 2x on this side because it's smaller than the 3x. Rewrite. So now I have 5 equals x plus 4. Move the constant over. X equals 1. And that's C. Okay, let's do 6 really quick, and then I'll let you guys just do you. Okay, on 6, we are evaluating expressions. By plugging it in. If we go to B, look, we've got B times A plus B plus A. A is going to equal 9 and B equals 4. I'm just going to plug these in. 4 and 9 plus 4 plus 9. So we are going to add what's in the parentheses, so that's going to be 13 times 4 plus 9. 4 times 3 is 12, and then this is going to be 52 plus 9, so this is going to be 61. That's it. Remember, we plug in the numbers and then add it all up. Questions? I'll wait. Yes.
What was is that supposed to be a 1 above it on 13?
Yes. You don't have to write the 1. That's just my doing multiplication like that.
Oh, okay.
So it should be, 4 times 40 plus 13. Yep. 40. Yeah, 52. All right. Do you want me? Oh, okay. So let's talk about the vocabulary. If I were you, I would go through and define all of them because the vocabulary will be on your test. Any questions for me on that? Any questions about your test? No questions about your test at all? Okay. Okay.